Daniel Tiger. Oh! Get back here, I say.
Do it again.
What are you doing, Daniel Tiger? Get back here, Daniel.
Do it again. Do it again.
Where's all the bunny rabbits? I missed his face on that one.
Where are the bunny rabbits? Do it to the bunny.
Daniel Tiger, get back here.
Go show Daddy that. Go do that to Daddy. Do it to Daddy.
What are you doing that for? Is that what you say when you see Daniel Tiger? Oh. There's two guys up there doing it, apparently. Hey, where's my Daniel Tiger?
Brandon, come here. Brandon, go do that to Daddy. Go do that to the bunny rabbits.
What are you doing? Get back here. Brandon. Uh-oh, here he comes. What were you doing up there? What were you doing up there? Show me. What do you say when you see Daniel Tiger? What do you say when you see Daniel Tiger? Do it. All right. Okay, see you later. What are you doing to those poor bunny rabbits? Those poor little bunny rabbits. Whoa. Wait a minute. What's this bunny rabbit doing? Peek. Peek. Oh, you got him good. You really beat up that poor bunny rabbit. Oh, your foot. You like that bunny rabbit? Is that one your friend? You're a funny guy. Oh, you're gonna take a nap? Okay. Do we hear Daniel Tiger one more time? What do we say when we see Daniel Tiger? Oh, you're trying to look into that? Oh, you want to carry it around? Here, you